Okay, next we're going to take a look at number 24. It says a ball contains 4 white or a box contains 4 white and 6 black balls. A second box contains 7 white and 3 black balls. A ball is picked at random from the first box and placed into the second box. A ball is then picked from the second box. What is the probability that it's white? Okay, so first, let's see. The initial box had 4 white and 6 black, so there were 10 balls altogether. And so the probability of drawing a white ball from the first box is 4 out of 10. And the probability of drawing a black ball from the first box is 6 out of 10. And remember, you're going to take a ball out of the first box and put it into the second box. So if you draw out a white ball the first time around, the second box started with 7 white, but we're going to put in the white that we drew out. So now it has 8 white balls out of 11 balls. And then there are 3 black balls. So the probability of drawing white is 8/11, and the probability of drawing blue is 3/11. On the other hand, if you drew out a black ball the first time around and add it into the second box, okay, now there are 11 balls and 4 of them are black, so the probability of drawing a black ball would be 4/11, and the probability of drawing a white ball is 7/11. Does that make sense how the tree is set up? Okay, we want to figure out the probability that you draw out a white ball the second time. So either you drew out a white and then a white, or you drew out a black and then a white. And we know that we can split that up and do the probability of white and white plus the probability of black and white. So white, white, we would multiply 4/10 times 8/11. That's right here. And then we could do a black and then a white. So we would multiply 6/10 times 7/11. Okay. This first multiplication gives me 32 out of 110. The second multiplication gives me 42 out of 110. When we add those together, we get 74 out of 110, and that reduces down to 37 out of 55. And then if we want, we can change that into a decimal, and we would get the decimal 0.673. Any questions? Okay, so that is it for section 11.2. We won't have class tomorrow, but on Thursday we will take a look at section 10.2. Does anybody have any questions about anything? Remember, you do have a quiz on surface area to work on, and you also have your test to look at. All right, if you guys don't have, yeah?
When's the test due?
The test is due Friday by 6.
Okay, thank you.
Sure, anything else?